Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your GPU model and current driver version so you update the correct package. Once done, create a system restore point and back up existing drivers to revert if needed. Next, download the official driver package for your exact OS and GPU from the vendor. Make sure to choose the correct bitness and release channel. This prevents mismatches. By taking these steps first, you reduce risk and speed the rest of the process. You should remove conflicting remnants before installing the new driver. Use settings or the in safe mode for a clean slate. Then run the downloaded installer and pick custom or perform clean install so old files are replaced. Once installation finishes, reboot immediately to commit changes and let Windows configure hardware. After reboot, open the vendor control panel and reapply any display or performance profiles. This ensures setting. You finish by verifying the new driver. Check the version, run a benchmark or stress test, and monitor temperatures to confirm stability. Also make sure related components like DirectX or Vulkan runtimes are current and update motherboard BIOS only if advised. If you encounter crashes, artifacts, or regressions, use the system restore point or rollback to the prior driver immediately. If problems persist, perform a full reinstall using the and the stable driver build. This resolves most stubborn conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.